All right, let's talk about safety. The full conceal M3 Delta pistol is safer to carry with a round in the chamber than any other semi-automatic pistol on the market today, and I'm going to tell you why. When it's in transport mode, the trigger shoe is folded forward against the frame of the pistol. You physically can't get to it to pull it to the rear to discharge the firearm. While it's folded down like that, it's pushing back on the trigger bar, and that trigger bar is locking two other internal safeties, the plunger safety and the drop safety. So with the round in the chamber, there's no way you can make this pistol discharge in transport mode. It's only when you deploy the pistol, lock the grip into place, that you can then discharge the firearm. Your training, keeping your finger off the trigger, and the other two safeties are going to keep this pistol safe. When it's in transport mode, there's no other way to make it discharge but to deploy the grip. So if you're carrying our pistol in transport mode in your pants, in your front or back pocket, in one of our holsters, or in a bag or a purse, there's no way when you're deploying the pistol that you can make it discharge. A lot of people carry appendix, and when they're carrying appendix, the only thing that's keeping them from discharging the pistol is keeping their finger off the trigger. But they're carrying that pistol and they're pointed at it usually at pretty important parts of their body. It's either pointed down at the femoral artery or other parts of their body, if you know what I'm saying. Our pistol, when it's in either your front pocket or your back pocket, the long axis of the bore is pointing parallel with your leg, so you're not flagging yourself as much as you would be if you were carrying appendix. Our pistol is safer to carry than any other pistol on the market today.